When you search for cheap drones for photography, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Loily 2K HD Drone. The Loily drone really caught my eye with its 2K HD camera and a price tag of just $39.99. Honestly, if you want to capture stunning moments without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 2K resolution means you can get clear photos and videos, making it perfect for those picturesque landscapes or family gatherings. Plus, with features like altitude hold and optical flow positioning, it stabilizes flight, so you can get quality shots without the hassle. And don't overlook the 2 batteries that extend your flight time to about 26 minutes, which is generous for such an affordable drone. Now, some people complained about the drone's limited range and flight time in windy conditions. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out or flying in calm conditions, it's not a deal breaker. It's perfect for beginners who want to learn without a hefty investment. This is perfect for you if you're a new drone user looking for an inexpensive way to start your aerial photography journey. Skip this one if you need professional-grade features, but for the price, you can't beat the value. Now, if the battery life on the Loily drone doesn't cut it for you, this next option offers even more flight time. Product number 2, DJI Mini 4K. Next up is the DJI Mini 4K, priced at $209. What stood out to me is its stable flight and impressive 4K camera. If you're looking for cinematic quality without the hefty price tag, this is definitely worth considering. The 4K Ultra HD capabilities mean you can capture breathtaking sunrises or sunsets in stunning quality. It's also wind-resistant up to 38 kph, ensuring stable shooting even in breezy conditions, which is crucial for those outdoor adventures. Plus, the drone weighs under 249 grams, so you don't have to worry about FAA registration. With a flight time of 31 minutes and intelligent quick shots, it's designed to make your aerial photography experience smooth and enjoyable. Here's the thing though, once you get past that hurdle, the experience is nearly seamless, and it's a small price to pay for such high-quality footage. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner who wants to step up your drone game. Skip this one if you're looking for the absolute cheapest option, but for the quality you're getting, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for fun features. Product number 3, Odair 1080p Drone. Let's talk about the Odair drone, priced at just $42.99. Honestly, I was surprised by what this little guy offers. If you want fun features on a budget, this one is worth a serious look. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera, it captures decent quality photos and videos, and you can adjust the camera angle remotely. It has multiple fun functions like 3D flips and gravity control, making it super enjoyable for both beginners and seasoned flyers. With 2 batteries, you get about 25-28 minutes of flight time, which is impressive. Plus, with an optical flow positioning system, you can expect stable hovering for your shots. Now, some users have reported that the controls can be a bit tricky to master at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it becomes a lot of fun. It's a great entry-level option, but maybe not the best for those who want something straight out of the box easy. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an entertaining drone experience without spending too much. Skip this one if you need high-end camera quality, but it's a fun way to get started. Now, if you want something with even more features and stability, you'll want to check out this next drone. Product number 4, RELIDOL Drone with Screen. Next, we have the RELIDOL drone, priced at $69.99. What I found cool is that it comes with a built-in screen on the remote. If you're tired of using your phone to fly drones, this could be your answer. The 1080p HD camera allows you to capture crisp images, and the ability to see live footage right on the remote means no more fumbling around with your phone. It's user-friendly with features like one-key takeoff and emergency stop, which is great for beginners. Plus, with 2 batteries extending flight time to about 25 minutes, you have plenty of shooting time. However, I did notice that you'll need an SD card to save your images. Some users found that inconvenient. Here's the thing though, once you have that set up, it's a pretty smooth experience. It's a solid choice for indoor and outdoor fun. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, straightforward flying experience without using your phone. Skip this one if you're looking for a high-end feature set, but it's a great value for what you get. Now, if you need reliability and extra features, check out the next drone on our list. Product number 5, BLINORY 2K GPS drone. Finally, let's talk about the BLINORY GPS drone, priced at $59.99. I was genuinely impressed with its GPS features and 2K HD camera. If you want something reliable with some smart features, this might be your best bet. It also has fun features like follow me and gesture selfie, making it easy to capture those special moments. With a flight time of about 32 minutes, you'll have plenty of time to take all the shots you want. That said, some people have noted that the app can be a bit tricky to navigate at first. Here's the thing, once you spend some time getting familiar with it, the advantages of this drone far outweigh the learning curve. It's a fantastic tool for capturing memories. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable drone with smart features for creative shooting. Skip this one if you want a no-frills drone, but the quality and features are definitely worth the price. So there you have it. We've covered the Loyly 2K HD drone for budget-friendly beginners, the DJI Mini 4K for cinematic shots, the fun Otter drone, the RELIDOL with its handy screen, and the feature-rich BLINORY GPS drone. Each has its strengths, so think about what you value most in a drone. Happy flying!